Welcome to the Owens Corning Insulation 101 video guide series, showing you how your home insulation project can be easy, fast, and effective. This series of videos features the full line of innovative products from an industry leader, Owens Corning, including EcoTouch Pink Fiberglass Insulation, Foamular Extruded Polystyrene Rigid Foam Insulation, and today's topic, the AttiCat Expanding Blown-In Insulation System. Let's get started. Are your heating and cooling bills going through the roof? Do you have a room that is always cooler in the winter and warmer than others in the summer? Chances are the insulation in your attic needs topping up. You can do it yourself with Owens Corning's AttiCat Expanding Blown-In Insulation System, a simple, safe, and reliable machine that blows insulation into your attic with virtually no mess. And it's a quick project that can be completed in as little as 2 hours. 3 simple steps in a few hours is all you need to save up to 20% on heating and cooling costs and increase your home's comfort. It's never been easier. Here's an overview of how the AttiCat system works. Pop into your attic with a ruler. To achieve great energy efficiency, Owens Corning recommends R60, which is 22.25 inches of insulation. If you have less than this, you'll need to top up. To calculate the number of bags you'll need, visit www.owenscorning.ca/AttiCat. Scan the QR code, or an associate at your local building material store can help. It only takes 5 minutes to blow 1 bag of AttiCat insulation. Pick up your bags of AttiCat Expanding Blown-In Pink Fiberglass Insulation, Raftermate Attic Rafter Vents, and AttiCat rulers in the insulation aisle, and the AttiCat machine in the machine rental department of your local building material store. The machine comes in 2 pieces to make it easy to transport. Don't forget your protective gear. You'll need gloves and eye protection. Although the insulation is soft to the touch, long pants and a long-sleeve shirt should also be worn. Two people are recommended for installation, 1 in the attic and 1 at the machine. Prepare the attic by installing Raftermate Attic Rafter Vents and AttiCat rulers at various points throughout the attic. Assemble the AttiCat machine in a driveway or garage. The machine will not run if the top piece is not attached correctly, protecting you from possible injury. Feed the supply hose through the house and up to the attic. Cut a bag of insulation in half and push 1/2 into the machine, then remove the empty packaging. Press and hold the start button on the hose remote to start the machine. And blow the insulation throughout the attic to the desired depth using the AttiCat rulers as your guide. Only feed a half bag of insulation at a time, waiting for the machine to empty each time until you have used all the bags. Turn off the machine, unplug, and disassemble the machine. The cleanup is quick and easy. Return the machine and accessories to the store. The AttiCat Expanding Blown-In Insulation System from Owens Corning is a quick and easy do-it-yourself solution which will minimize heat loss and gain, thus reducing heating and cooling costs by up to 20% and provide great comfort in the home. AttiCat insulation is Green Guard Gold certified for indoor air quality, formaldehyde-free, contains a minimum 73% recycled content, and has virtually no settling, keeping its energy or value over time. Thanks for watching the Owens Corning Insulation 101 video series featuring the AttiCat Expanding Blown-In Insulation System. Have an insulation job to do? Remember, think pink. Start with a click at owenscorning.ca for more information, product tips, and links to complete how-to installation instructional videos and to find a dealer near you. Owens Corning Insulation Products, a great choice for home energy savings. See you next time.